Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Dramacool application on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your App Store. To begin, in the search box, type in Dramacool and press search. Once you find the application on the next page, tap on the Get button. Right next to this application that says Dramacool Movies and TV Shows, now wait for the application to be downloaded. Dramacool is a website and mobile application that streams Asian dramas including television series and film. Users can watch shows and movies from a variety of Asian countries such as South Korea, China, and Taiwan with subtitles in multiple languages. Once the application is downloaded, you can tap open to launch and open the app. That is how you can easily download Dramacool application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.